All right, guys, today's the day. 6 liters going back in the truck. We're gonna get this thing buttoned up. So let's get right into it. So if you've been following along, we pulled this motor out. We had a little bit of issue with a pressurizing the coolant system and everything. So we got the motor pulled out, put a fresh set of Powerstroke Products heads from Blessed Performance, set of gator fasteners, got a whole bunch of stuff powder coated, cleaned everything up, and kind of went from there. And we're finally ready to drop this motor in. So I'm not going to waste any time. I've given quite a bit of instruction along the way. Today is just shove this motor back in the truck, get everything bolted up. So I'm going to set up the GoPro. We're going to do a bunch of time-lapse stuff, and hope you guys enjoy. All right, made some serious progress here. I'll tell you what though, I'm exhausted. Shop is an absolute disaster. I got tools piled in the roll cart. I got a mess everywhere, but we're gonna keep going. We have 9 days as of this video being recorded, probably less by the time you guys see this, but 9 days until the Rudy show. And as you can see, we're a ways away. So I'm gonna keep grinding tonight. One thing I wanna show you real quick that I actually wanted to talk about and show you what I'm doing is this radiator. So this is the factory radiator, plastic end tanks, known for splitting right around here and right around here, and kind of thin. Even if you look at the side here, the core itself is not as thick as this side. So the radiator we got is this big 3-inch thick aluminum radiator from IPR Research. This thing is awesome. I mean, this should really help keep this truck cool. I had it kicking around the shop for a little bit here, and I kind of dinged up some of the fins. That shouldn't really hurt any performance. Obviously, once it's in the truck, you won't see that, but this thing is beautiful. They don't come like that, so don't worry about that. But we're gonna get this thing in. I mean, basically, all the motor stuff is done. We just have to put the fan on. I'm gonna try the no inner shroud or no fan stator setup. Some guys are saying they've had no problems with it getting hot. I'm obviously gonna save it. That way, if something happens, then I can always pop it back on. But I'm gonna try just putting the fan on, and we'll go from there. I mean, hopefully it works. Some of you guys in the comments said that you've been driving trucks around and racing trucks around and everything with no problems and overheating, but we'll definitely find out. So we're gonna get the fan on, we're gonna get the radiator in, we're gonna get the intercooler on, and then hopefully tonight we'll have the whole front end of this truck buttoned up. And then all we're gonna be waiting on is, I need some bolts for the flywheel to get the transmission back in, and a couple little suspension things here and there, but it's getting close, but I think we can do it. So I'm gonna put you guys on a tripod, I'm gonna start grinding away, and we'll see you soon. right, guys, I think that's gonna be a wrap for tonight. Like I said, I'm wiped out. You can probably see it in my face. I am just junk, but we got it all together finally. So it's just about ready to fire up. Gotta put the batteries in, put the whole front end on, but still waiting on some bolts for the clutch, and that's probably gonna hold me up. I have a few other things I'm gonna do. I got a couple of quick videos about some sway bars and stuff like that that I can knock out while I'm waiting if they don't show up right away. But I think we're gonna make it. We, like I said, 9 days left. The motor's together, so as long as nothing catastrophic happens, I mean, you guys know these trucks, anything can happen. But I'm pretty confident we nailed everything down. We addressed a lot of issues on this, and we should be good to go. So sorry this video wasn't really my typical detailed how-to video. I just wanted to get this thing together. Assembling this thing is pretty much just a reversal of disassembly, so I think you guys should be able to figure it out. And as I always say, you can reach out and email me or comment, and if you have any questions or if you're stuck on anything or if you're wondering about anything here. And I mean, that's pretty much it, guys. But I'm really hoping to see you at the Rudy show. Let me know, message in the comments, and if you guys are going to be there, and you can come over to the Bless booth, shake hands, say hi. I'll be walking around the show, and you'll see me with my camera and everything. So really hope to see you there. We've got a couple more videos before we head out, though. But as always, guys, thanks for watching. In the shop.